Hey you guys, this is Makeup by Kawansa. I came in with an updated brow tutorial. Show you guys how I do my brows now and what I use. This is my baby. I used to model in the bottle. Okay, this is what I use for my brows every time I do my brows. Jordana, either use this Jordana Lavish Brown, or I use another dollar store sharpen one, the one that I sharpen, and this. And I either use a spoolie or one like this. Mostly a spoolie, but this is what I had. So y'all, that's all y'all need for your brows. And let me tell y'all another tip. Okay? Stop using concealer that is too light for y'all up here. Y'all can get a halo effect. Stop it. Stop it. Okay? Okay. So now that we got that clear, if you want to go light underneath here. Don't go light up here. Because when you take your pictures, you're going to have that halo effect. Just letting y'all know, okay? From experience, baby. From experience. Okay, you guys. This is my updated brow tutorial. So, yeah. What is this on my sweater? Okay? So, yeah. This is my updated brow tutorial for you guys. And, yes, y'all see I have a wig that I need to review on the back. That's what I'm doing. But I'm doing videos. So, yeah. So, I ain't worried about that. So, I'm getting my video count up. Y'all should be happy. Okay, you guys. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, y'all go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Every time I upload, you will know, and you'll be the first one. Okay? So, what I need for y'all to do is subscribe, share, like, subscribe. Okay, you guys. Now, into this, let's get into this quick brow tutorial. Walk in love, because Jesus is love. And if you love Jesus, you're definitely walking in love, too. See you guys later. Mwah! Okay, hey, you guys. How y'all doing? So, this is me doing a brow tutorial. So, I am just using that brush to comb up the brows. As you can see, I am rambling. So yeah, that's what I am doing. I am going to spray that AOL primer that's from Shop Miss A, just to get it a little moisturized. And that's what I'm doing. And I am going to take my Lavish Brown Jordana pencil and line up my brows so I can outline it to do my brows. So yeah, so I'm just going to trace it the way my brows is grows is. So yeah, y'all, that's what I'm doing. And as you can see, that's just how my hair grows. Everybody's hair grows different. So, you know, do it to how your brows. And if you don't have any brows, I mean, everybody likes different shapes. So whatever shape you like on your face, you go ahead and do that, sister bro. Handle yours. Because I'm definitely handling mine. So yeah, I'm doing the other brow the same way. And I was talking my butt off, y'all. That's why I had to edit. I just was saying all kind of stuff. Y'all, I don't even know what I was saying right there. But anyway. Okay, I'm telling you guys that I am lining up. And that is how I try to get them the same. I go from one end to the other end to see how to line it up. You know, so they can be twinsies, you know, because I tried to get out of that sister stage. I wanted to be more twinsy than sisty. What? I'm laughing at my corny jokes. But anyway, you guys, yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I am just filling it in, filling my brows in as how the hairs grow. So I'm going in with that brush and I am just feathering it out at the end. And y'all, excuse me, that is my husband in the background looking for something in the drawer on the side of me. I don't know why he was looking at something for the drawer, because they ain't had nothing for him. This is my stuff all up in this area. Yeah, you guys, I'm just feathering it out, and that's how I do. Look, this is the easiest way if you guys need to learn how to do your brows. Connect them and then unconnect them. That's what you see me doing. I'm connecting them to unconnect them. And it's easy to get it lined up like that. Any little flat regular brush that you need. I have a rounded one, and that's what I grown to love to use doing my brows. It's like a rounded flat brush. I used to do the angle brush, which I could do it still with it, but I've grown to love the brush that is round at the end, and I flatten them out. Okay, and so I'm just taking that concealer, LA Girl concealer in Toffee, and I am taking that to trace out my brow, to clean it up. This is when the magic happens right now, so you can see how beautiful their brow is going to come out with that concealer, baby. And I have the color that matches me at the bottom and at the top. It matches me. So you guys, not to knock nobody flow, maybe, you know what, people might like it highlighted at the top, I don't know, but not me. Get the color of your skin at the top so you don't have that halo effect. You don't want that halo when you take your picture. Y'all, I'm serious. Y'all don't want that halo effect. I mean, that's from trial and error, because I didn't have the halo effect before, okay? Don't get it twisted. But get the color. Even if you can't find, if you think you can't find the concealer of your color, go ahead and get you your foundation that matches you. That'll be the best thing you can do, is get your concealer, your foundation, and that'll match you perfectly. That way you ain't gotta worry about that halo effect at the top, and you already got your foundation and it's doing. But if you have the halo effect before, make sure that you put your concealer in that spot and you really tap it on, so that it can get rid of that halo effect at the top. Because some people do it like the whole brow light, then they come over with their foundation. But I'm telling you, sometime if you don't do it right, it'll come through right through that foundation, baby. If your foundation is not thick enough, or you ain't patted it enough around, now I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So yeah, you guys, I am just still lining it up, and you seen how I had put that line. That was the easy part for me, where you put the line in the middle of the nose area, and then I just clean it up with my fingers. It's just then my husband then jumped in there again. So yeah, y'all, he just all over the place. Look, he didn't mess up my bed to the back. See that? I got stuff on my bed, but you done messed up my bed, sir. But that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So yeah, y'all, I ain't doing nothing but trying to get my videos up for you guys. So y'all, this is an easy tutorial. That's model about what I'm using, baby. That will have your brows in place until you take them off. I used a brush this time on camera, but I usually take a little small angle brush and dab it on there, so I can get like the tail good. That way I get a good hold. Like, baby, I'm telling you, them brows ain't going nowhere, and they be crispy like a potato chip. Ooh, y'all, I'm cutting up in here. Yeah, so that's what's up. Yes. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up. Look, and I'm not a perfectionist too much, but I try to get it as possible. So you're gonna see me go up in there, put some more concealer, because I didn't feel like it was right. Like, I felt like it was, one side was bigger than the other. So you're gonna see me go in there and mess with it a little bit, and that's what I'm gonna be doing when you gonna see me do all that. Put my head like I'm about to go to the army or something like that, or putting it up for the captain or something. My hand up, girl. Look, I was just, girl, look, sis, bro, I just was trying to get it right. That's all I was doing, trying to get it right. Yeah, y'all see right there? That's what I was doing. Trying to get it right, baby. I was trying to get it right. And then, after I do that, I'm going to be satisfied. And I hope you guys like it too. But I'm going to be satisfied after that. I'm going to be satisfied. And we're going to be done with that brows. And baby, that's the easy tutorial. And y'all can go ahead and do it if you are struggling with your brows, boo. Look. Brows don't even have to be that hard. It's easy. You just got to play with it. Don't be scared to get your hands dirty. Literally. Literally. Child, look at all them faces I'm making, baby. I'm just, yeah. Yes. And yeah, just like that, we browed up. Okay. See you. I'll see you. I have cut up, y'all. Yes, indeed. That's it. And we done, baby. So if you guys go ahead and follow this, y'all gonna be able to do them brows good the first time. Okay? And even if you ain't did the first time, pick yourself up and try again. See you guys later.